What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel, and today we're going to go over the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip tips and tricks, or special features, however you want to call it, because I want you guys to be well aware of the device you're using, what it can and cannot do, and some things you might not have known. Now, for the people who do have this device or had a newer model Samsung device, some of this stuff might seem redundant. You might have heard this before, you might have seen it before, but these are for the people checking out the channel for the first time, checking out this phone for the first time, and you want to know what's up with the what's up, and you want to pick up what I'm putting down. So feel free to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the content and if I'm providing anything that's useful to your life. And also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to be entered into that giveaway. All you gotta do is send me a screenshot that you subscribed on YouTube, you follow me on other social media, send me a screenshot on Instagram and on the DMs, and I'll check you out and lock you in. We're going to be announcing that winner probably by the end of next week, maybe the next weekend. But I'm just want to give everybody a fair shake to enter into that contest. So, without any further ado, Spidey, let's get it! Alright, so the first thing, AR emojis. So having that AR emoji for the background, just like I said with the Z Flip, that is an awesome feature. So I think you go to, actually I think it's call background, maybe. Call background. Here you go right here. And you can set your AR emoji, do a little funky two-step, a little dance when people call you. So this is what my wife has right now. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 Get it. Let's go. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's some custom special feature stuff. I really like that. So how do you get there and you set that as your call background? You just go to call settings, and if you want to go back a little further, all you have to do is search for it. So in the search bar, when you either swipe up or go to your settings, type in call background. When you click on call background, you're gonna have to click on it again. Hold on, let me get you guys right. Click on call background again, go to call background again, and then click on background. So if you click this plus button, if you don't have it set already here, just make sure you have your AR emoji set up already. You can select from gallery or create using AR emoji. You select your AR emoji, and then you can make them do whatever you want to do. So look at it. Alright, that's enough of that. That's enough of those shenanigans. Anyways, another thing you can do is bedtime mode. So if you read at night, you're on your phone at night for long periods of time, or you're in a very dark setting and you know those times when you open your phone and it's bright as hell, you forgot to turn your brightness down and it damn near blinds you, or when you wake up in the morning and your phone is on super bright and your eyes are kind of crusty, you open them a little bit and this bright ass phone is in your face like this. Put this thing on bedtime mode. You go into sleep, it neutralizes everything. It puts it black and white or grayed out, washed out. So when you look at your phone, you won't have those issues. I like that feature a lot because that happens to me a lot. So I would use this. I don't know if you guys know, but if you double tap the screen right here and you swipe right, you have a lot of notifications and little widgets here that kind of will help you in your day-to-day. So it'll have your schedule, and you can customize these to put them where you want or take some off. Your weather, Samsung health information, your alarm information, music, voice recorder, timer. Those are super helpful. So if you need something real quick, just swipe right and get to one of those options, and it'll help you function a little bit more efficient. I don't know if you guys know, but you can double click the camera or you can access the camera by double clicking the power button of the fingerprint reader from the outside, and now you can have your camera ready to go. And if you want to, it'll use those outside cameras obviously, but if you want to, you swipe to the right and it'll change the settings. So you can go video, photo, video, photo, video, and photo. So those are all the same options obviously. Another thing you can do, you can access Samsung Pay, and a lot of this is with the outside screen, because this outside screen is pretty much the most innovative part of this phone, besides it, flipping. and it's a foldable touchscreen. But you swipe up, you can access your Samsung Pay right here. Put your fingerprint on here, boom, hit it on the little monitor, the little device, beep beep, boom. You just pay for your stuff without even opening your phone. People gonna be like, what is that? You tell them.
They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's black.
This mine. This ain't yours. This is mine. But then you tell them about it, because we sharing the love right here. We sharing the knowledge, the experience, and the flex factor of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Spidey, where we at on time? 6 minutes. All right, we good. We good. Another thing you can do that I don't know if most of you guys know is if you swipe down, you can control your volume. So if you need to put your phone on vibrate or something real quick or silent, you can do that really quick just by swiping down from that outside screen. And you can turn the brightness all the way down or all the way up. So I don't know if this will work when you open the phone. So let's turn it all the way down and then open the phone, see what happens. No, so it doesn't convert to the inside of the phone. So if you turn your brightness up or down from the outside of the phone, just realize when you open it, that brightness is still gonna be where you left it, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind. Another thing I like about this, same with some of the newer phones and the Z Flip, is that from your home screen, if you pinch and then click, or at least swipe to the left, you can now get Google Discover instead of just Samsung Free. So instead of seeing, you know, the little TV basically inspired channels and stuff on your phone, let's show you what it looks like really quick. If you swipe left right now, if I click Samsung Free, it'll give me like channels, entertainment, sports, and different sections. So if I go back and then I change this to Google Discover, now it will give me news feeds related to things I search, some important news I might want to see in the day when I'm just waking up, and so on and so forth. I think this is super helpful, more helpful than the other one, because it's like a news feed for you, and it keeps you updated, and it's, you know, relative to things you search and things you look for. I really like this feature. And now the last thing I'm gonna say with special features is the cover screen. Okay, so let's click on cover screen in the settings, and then you click on clock style. They have a lot of cool options here that you can match your phone and your watch with. Some of these are on the watch faces if you got the new Galaxy Watch 4. So the fact that you can match these up, pretty much any theme, you can kind of color coordinate how you want to go. Change the colors of the clock down here. But that's going to be it. This phone doesn't have as many special features as the Z Fold 3. It does hold its own as far as what it is, what it brings to the table. And I think the flex factor on this bad boy alone is the biggest feature that you can have. This almost perfected foldable display, and you can just bam, hang up on somebody. That's probably the best feature right there. You talking in your ear, bam, get off my phone. Hold on, that wasn't good enough. Bam, get off my phone. Spidey, I know you do that all the time. I know, or you just swing away. Whatever you do, I don't know. But anyways, you know I like to keep it short and sweet. That's gonna be the video for you guys. Feel free to subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications. You know I love you guys. We're keeping this thing rolling. I appreciate all the support. I love you guys so much. You don't understand. Gould's Gaming and Tech is taking over the YouTube space, social media, all that good stuff, and that's all from the love of you great people who are tuning in, subscribing to the channel, showing love, talking to me in the comments. I'm talking to you guys back. Y'all know how I roll. I talk to everybody who's engaging with the channel. If you leave a comment or you reach out to me, I'm gonna respond, because that's the type of guy I am. I'm one with the people. But anyways, that's gonna do it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Spidey, let's get it.